Well then, I'm in Barnard Castle. Trying to get onto a site there, but you need to have an induction. 9 o'clock in the morning is the induction. It's 8:05 now, and there is nowhere to park this in Barnard. So the lads have jumped in the van and away to Greg's. I couldn't leave this anywhere, so I'm currently driving. They wouldn't let us park it where I was. Kicked us off site, and I'm just currently looking for a lay-by. So that's a bad sign. You see the lay-by all parked full here. That's people parking up to go to work. Probably all jump in one car, park a car there, jump in one and share the cost of parking. I don't know how long I'm going to be on here for, like. It is what it is. I got a couple of days work down here. Just today I'm dropping all the gear off. Going to work for the day and then come back down tomorrow in the work van, so we'll have this rigmarole, get the job finished, and that's the first week back out the way. Tick. Oh, bollocks. Right, it's 3:30 now. I'm heading back to the yard. I should get to the yard for about 5 o'clock. So out of there by 30:30. You're looking at another 12-hour day. It's been quite a big hours this week, but tomorrow's well, you kind of call it a half day. You just do 6 hours on a Friday, unless there's something going on, you want to do some overtime, then it's there for you. But I'm on a couple of days from last week plus hours, so it's all good. It is absolutely beautiful area around here. The Barnard Castle itself is a very, very pretty small town, but busy, man, like really, really busy. Like to get parked, if you want to go shopping or anything there around Barnard Castle, it's just a nightmare to try and park your car. If you were local and that, you must be tearing your hair out. But I used to do motorbike rally up here called Storming the Castle, so I know the area quite well. I don't do Storming anymore, but we used to come up here on the bikes and have the weekend and that. There's around 4,000 to 5,000 people camping, live bands and that, you know. It was good. It was good fun. Well, I found better ones. Well, you know, if you can only get to 1 or 2 a year, you want to pick the best ones, so that's what we do, you know. Missed out last year, didn't, because of work and things. But definitely doing this year. I can say this year now, funny enough. It's the 9th today today, by the way, 9th of January. It's quite cold, 3 degrees now. So the temperature's dropped massively. Just a couple of days ago, we're sitting at around 11 degrees at this time of day, so we've lost quite a bit of heat. And you can feel it. There was snow up here today. There was some of the cars passing us. When I had to sit it out, wait till I got my induction. Finally found a lay-by.
After 700 yards at the roundabout, take the second exit.
I finally found the roundabout, the lay-by, the hangabout. And some of the cars were coming past, thick as snow, like link to neck. It's the first I've seen so far this year.
Now, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Take your lit at home, £150 penalty. Doesn't stop them though.
After 700 yards at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Look at that. See all the litter there on the side of the road? You're going to see a huge building on your left hand side there. Just building it now. It's another Amazon. It's massive. And the Boburn turn off, it's where Durham Services is, just on your left there. See, it's white and the lights are on for the side. It is enormous. It's caused no end of hassle around the Durham Services. Lot of jobs though, so that's good. Newcastle, come on. Ready for me, ready for a bath. Oh, God, a bath. It's Macca. Use your chevrons. A1. There you go. So just shortly, really, it's only 100 odd miles there and back, 110 or something from the yard. It's a 5:30 start this morning, just to try and get there ahead of the lads with the gear, and I did that, so that was my job done. Bit awkward having the induction and things like that, nowhere to park your wagon again, you know, it's a nightmare out there, man. When you're driving, you've got to stop sometimes. You just have to go on and on and on and on and on. Try and find somewhere. Well, I'll get back in enough time. I stopped on me dinner, I hit it, so I had my break. I had other work when I was doing the labouring. When we went off into the town, but went in the van, just hit the brake, and then that was me, all nice and set, ready to get home without having to take another break. So it's good, not being too far away from home. On some of the occasions, the weather's a little bit pants, as you can see. I think we'll be back down, doing quite a bit of work down there again. We've had loads of work down there in the past, before I came. It looks like it's picking up again down that area, so lots of good roads for us to show you. Fantastic biking roads, by the way, but you get a nice view when you're in your lorry or your wagon, or you want to get out for the day somewhere. Hopefully these little videos help you. 35 miles away from the yard, so I shall catch you a little bit later on. I might flick it on just before I'm around the metro centre, where it's normally been a carnage around there. Not that I want to show carnage, but if something happens, I'll share it anyway.